This is Eric living in Hua Hin, Thailand. Come with me for another day in Sha'am. Not sure what I'm going to see, but I'll show you the beach for sure. So come with me. Well, I've driven by this place a lot on the way to Sha'am. I finally stopped and find out that it's not only a bar, it's an art place. So I stopped for these guys, but it's so much more. All kinds of art and antiques and wooden things and metal sculptures. It's an early morning. I'm at Wat, I have to read it, Wat Marikathaywan Temple, Buddhist temple here, just outside of Hua Hin on my way to Sha'am. And I'm going to spend the day in Sha'am again. So temple's on the side of the road. I've been by it many times, first time I stopped in. Well, I'm at the edge of Sha'am. I'm at the Bang Tra Noi. What am I at? I'm at the Bang Tra Noi Canal. I have a hard time saying all these words. I'm also on the edge of a mangrove forest. And so there's a whole lot of trails that you can walk through in a mangrove forest here. So this is a seawater canal. Looks like there was a path to walk there, but it's covered by trees right now. Don't know if I could walk on this side. Ouch. So that's one of the pathways. It's all around this area. There's these pathways to walk through the mangrove forest. The area is huge. So here is the sign for the mangrove plantation. Her Royal Highness Princess Maha Chakri Sundom's mangrove plantation. It's in the Serene International Environment Park. So I drove through the environmental park to get here. And I tried to get to the palace, but it's not open. And this looks like it's the back entrance to the palace. You can tell by the yellow ribbon, the royal ribbon. So there's a very small mangrove area at Culminating Temple in Hua Hin, very near where I live. And so this is the walkway for the mangrove forest. And apparently there's very different mangroves. I know of at least 4 at the one in Hua Hin. I don't know how many they have here. And there should be all kinds of plant life and wildlife in the marshes. The mangroves are interesting. They have these big feeder roots that are above ground and they go into the water. And it's very tidal, so it depends on high tide, low tide, what you see. They've nicely got signs for a lot of the different things. So if you've got a vehicle, a car or a bike, you don't have to stick in town. and just do beaches and bars. There's lots of other things to do. Going for walks, for one. Here's another tower that my phobia just will not allow me to climb. If the steps were solid, I can handle it, but not the open steps. I just can't handle that. Sorry, because the view up there is probably great. I see pictures of somebody on kayaks, so I wonder if there's tours or something. A guided tour would be wonderful through here. Yeah, there's just no way I could go up that. A little bit I can handle, but even this, like, I'm apprehensive right away. Whoa. Suspension bridge is okay. I think they need to work on that walkway right now. They got something temporary. So beautiful here though, very peaceful. So I'm actually parked right next to the sea, Gulf of Thailand. You can hear the waves. So there's an interesting wooden fence all along here to protect the royal property. Make sure you don't go in there. Nice, beautiful, empty spot. So there's two levels of this wooden fencing. And down there, you might not be able to see it, but there's a lighthouse, which I was hoping to get to, but I can't. My Pendai. I'll go back to the bike and on to the next spot, wherever that is. Well, I'm still in Sha'am. Welcome to Eric Living Hua Hin, Thailand. I'm in Sha'am, and I found another urban forest right here. The Sha'am Urban Forest. I'm going to have a quick look to see what this is all about, so come with me. Some nice little cacti. So they have a nature trail, accommodations, toilet, office, information. Elephant graveyard. I'm not quite sure what that's about. Well, there's a sign about it, but it's all in Thai. Sawasdee krap.
นะครับนั่นเปิดได้เลยครับ
So I just had a nice conversation with a guy from Switzerland. So there's a campground here. I've noticed actually a lot at parks, national parks, that there are campgrounds. And there are buildings here that I believe that they rent out as well. I don't know how to find out about it, but I imagine Google will help. Here's the all-important Hong Nam toilet. Oh, there's cacti in bloom. Different color blooms. Wow. So this is the Sha'am Nature Trail. So there's lots of places in the Hua Hin area to go for walks. So it's a rocky trail. I imagine if it's been raining, it would probably get slippery. The Sha'am Training Center, which I drove by, and the Sha'am non-hunting area. I think I just came from that probably. So I guess the Sha'am Training Center is they find lost parang, set them out in the wilds, and then go hunt them. That's my guess. So I'm not going towards the training center. A couple more little elephants. I think these are probably tenting spots for the fire pit. And a little bit of a marsh. There's some air-conditioned housing for rent. Okay, this is the Sha'am non-hunting area, bird watching route. Would love to have a guide to something like this. These rocks aren't all that comfortable to walk on. It'd be good to have boots right now. More cacti blooms. Okay. Well, now I'm at Long Beach, Sha'am. I'm on the opposite side of the beach, so you can't see too much of the beach from here. But on the right-hand side, you'll see hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of umbrellas. So I'm in a fishing village of some sort. Okay, now I'm at the fish market in Sha'am by Long Beach. So let's just have a look at this. I had to go around several times to find a parking spot. Patience. Marikap. Lots of fresh. And they're cleaning the crab. I guess you can buy it all the way clean here. And some dried fish, of course. Sawasdee krab.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Squid and horseshoe crab. $9. Lots of stuff. Can't get any fresher than this, eh? I'm not quite sure where this bridge goes. Oh, look at they're drying some fish here out in the sun. This is a drawbridge. So this is the wonderful vibe you get for living in Taiwan. Quite a wide port here. I can hear a bike behind me. can get all this in Hua Hin as well, but I happen to be in town today. It's really only a half hour, 45-minute drive from Hua Hin. Oh, that's the guy with my shirt on. Just some soda, water, ice. Just ice, yeah. Okay, water, yeah. No milk. Okay. 30 บาท 30 ขอบคุณนะคะครับคุณมาครับ
แล้วทำน้ำจิ้มได้จะซื้อตรงนี้ก็ได้จิ้มนะ
So for 30 baht, I got me an iced tea. I'm going to see if there's somewhere I can sit and drink some of it. Somebody's fishing off the dock here. Oh, so I'm just going to sit here by the dock, on the bay. Have a drink of my iced tea. Well, it's only about 10:30 in the morning, so it's early to eat lunch, so I'm just having a drink. Some kind of an iced tea mixture with powdered tea and ice and water, whatever, for 30 baht. It's hot out. So it's just where I'm sitting here by the boats. So I'm at the north end of Long Beach in Sha'am. Show you a quick look at it. So a couple boats are locked in for now. So there's tons of chairs and chairs under umbrellas. They go kilometers and kilometers down this beach. I personally don't like them, but by myself, I'm just not going to sit in one, sit and do nothing. I can't do it. I have occasionally done it in Hua Hin, but only because I was with a group of people. And anybody that knows me, I love to chat. Interesting how this water's been cut out here. It says welcome to Wat Hin, even though I'm in Cham. Okay, it's 11:45, quarter to 12, and it's about 37 degrees. Winter is definitely over, it's warming up. I heard in some parts of Thailand it's raining like crazy right now. Lots of seashells. I do like to mention, seeing as I'm on the beach, it's not really the correct thing to take seashells off the sea. It's part of the environment. To keep it natural, keep the shells on the beach. There's people enjoying the water. You can see it goes on way down. There's tons of those umbrellas and chairs and stuff. I don't know what they charge here, but it isn't very much. So anywhere here in Thailand, the beaches are beautiful. First week of March. It's summertime. Yeah, that does look like I might want to sit down for a while. Oh, well, I'm back home in Hua Hin. Had a great day out in Sha'am this morning. So thanks for following along today. Please remember to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.